I have more hiking gear for you guys. That's next. Hey guys, Chris here. Okay, so there's a lot going on in the world right now, and it's really important for us to get out in nature and find that special place, whether it's just a short day hike, your overnighters or whatever, but make sure you get out there and find that place and refresh your body, your mind, and get some sunlight and air, and it's so important to do that. And I got 5 things that we're going to go over today that could help, and we're going to start with that right now. Okay, so first up I have the Klymit Insulated Static V. Now we've already got the Klymit Static V non-insulated, but right away you can see the difference in the thickness. This is 4x8, this is 5x8, and that's because the insulated has thicker material and insulation qualities built into it. In fact, this is a 4.4 R value, and R value is based on a scale of 0 to 6, and the higher the R value, the better it will insulate you from cold surfaces. So as you can see, this will put you into, the 4.4 will put you into an all-season sleep pad. So that's really good to know about the Klymit Insulated. This is 72 by 23, 2.5 inches thick, 24 ounces, whereas the Static V non-insulated weighs 18 ounces, and this has a lifetime warranty, and it comes in at $69.99 on Amazon. I've seen it for about 64 bucks, and about maybe 70 plus on the Klymit website. So in regards to sleep pads, I've thought about the Leaky Trekking Pole Company, and I thought it's probably a good idea they don't sell sleep pads, because who wants a leaky sleep pad? I just bought me a leaky sleeping pad. Well, that's really a bad idea, buddy. Let's go roll this out. Okay, so next up we have the GSI Halulite 1.1 boiler. It's a little hard to say that, Halulite. 1.1 boiler. This is a really very nice pot for backpacking, very portable, very packable. Works great for your dehydrated meals, your coffee, your tea, your oatmeal. It's very lightweight. So this is 8.6 ounces on this bad guy here. And this is a 4 3/4 inches wide and 4 3/4 inches tall. And this has 32 ounces of capacity here, actually a little bit more, which is 1.2 quarts of water that you can boil in this. It has a very nice handle here with the, you squeeze it, and it's very solid though, as you can see. Look at that. It's very solid. And you open it up, and this thing is just rock solid. And in fact, it's like a mouse trap or something. You take this little guy and you set it, and you're like, oh, put a little piece of cheese right there, and boom, we got a mouse. it's very powerful handle. So this is anodized aluminum, which conducts heat very efficiently, and what that does for you is your water boils faster with this, so you won't be using as much fuel. This comes in at $31.95 on Amazon, and it's very similar to the Stanley Adventure cooking pot that I did, but this is $31. That was like $16, so this is definitely more, but it's a very lightweight, very efficient pot here. Also, it works well with the MSR Pocket Rocket or your packable portable stove here. It's like perfectly designed to fit there. Look at that, the little legs kind of hug right around it. It works great with that. And it also is very packable, meaning you can put your regular fuel canister right inside that, like that, as well as your stove, so pack that in there as well. And I usually add a couple other things like my knife, my lighter, and my salt and pepper shaker, and that will fit in there as well. So you go boop like that. Oh, and it has a nice little handle. It does not have the drain holes for draining the water out that the Stanley Adventure Cup has. So just saying though, but the GSI Halulite 1.1 boiler, really nice pot, something you might want to check into. Okay, so I've been looking for a pack that I could use for daily use, a little bit of light hiking, and even travel. And I came up with the Daylight Sling by Osprey. So if you know anything about me, I really like Osprey. And this is no exception. This is the 6-liter pack here. This is 0.5 pounds, so about a half a pound, 14.5 inches tall, 8 inches wide. So this works really well for me for everyday use. I put my wallet, my phone, my keys, checkbook, things like that in there, even a headlamp. It does hold a water bottle. There is no water bottle pocket on the side. I don't know if they thought it would make it too awkward to have it on the side, but this will fit pretty nice. And that's a big water bottle, but that'll fit pretty nicely in there like that. And I recently took this to Belize on an international travel, and this worked for me really well because I could put my passport, my wallet, my ID and everything right there, and it's all quick access to get to it. I don't even have to take it off. So that worked really great for that. So this has a really heavy duty shoulder strap, very foamy, spongy, very comfortable, and it integrates nicely straight into the back of the pack, which is more flat here, and it forms around your chest a little bit. And on the shoulder strap here, it has a little pocket, and I put my little Swiss Army knife in there. This is something you don't want to forget that you have in there if you get on an airplane, so make sure you unload that. But you can put a key in here, sunscreen, a little lip balm, anything like that would go in there. It does have a little clip right here. It's kind of a half hidden under this flap here. It makes it a little more sleek and easy to adjust. And with this strap here, it's not flopping around. So I like that because sometimes these straps are flopping around on you and stuff. But very sleek. The main compartment here has a couple of mesh pockets right there. I don't know if you can see that. A couple of mesh pockets. There is a key holder here. I got my my spare key right there. An elastic pocket right there as like a divider, and then the main pocket right there. So fairly simple, but very sturdy. I've been using this for quite a while. There is a external pocket with a flexible mesh material on it on the outside. You can put smaller items in there, and that works really great. But this has been very useful for me, and this comes in at $26 on Amazon, which is a really good price because on the Osprey website they're about $35. So I just thought I'd show you guys that, a little something that may help you out, and it gives you like a multi-use for hiking as well as daily use. So the Osprey Day Sling. Okay, so one of the first things I look for when I go on a hike is my pants. And I don't hike wearing sweatpants. I don't hike wearing jeans. Jeans have cotton in it. If they get wet, you're wet all day long. I use breathable, quick dry, convertible men's hiking pants. These also come in women's, and this is called the Jesse Kidden men's hiking pants. These are breathable with quick dry fabric, meaning that this fabric gets wet and it will dry within 5 minutes of like leaving the stream, like on a stream crossing. I go fly fishing in these and I'll get wet up to here, and within a few minutes I am completely dry. If it's cloudy, it might take you a little bit longer, but they're also water repellent, which that means water splashes on it and it's not going to soak in immediately. Also these have a UPF rating of 50 on them, so you get some sun protection out of these guys as well. Different companies make these kind of pants. Eddie Bauer, North Face, Columbia all have their own versions of these. These have multiple pockets, zippered pockets all over. I love that. I got a pocket up front here that's almost like a hidden pocket because it's between the main pocket and the cargo Velcro pocket, and I love that. The pants, the convertible part means that the legs will come off, so you can just simply unzip that leg, and now you got a pair of shorts. Just don't lose the legs, okay? I lost my legs! That's a pretty rough hike if you lose your legs. So that works great. And these come in multiple colors for the Jesse Kidden. And they also comes with a belt right here that is pretty easy to work with. There it is. Click that on. Nice thing to have an extra belt. These can be found on Amazon for $34.99. That's what I got mine for. Sometimes Amazon, the prices go up and down. It's kind of like the airlines or something. But these got a 4.5, 4 out of 5 stars on 661 reviews on these. And that is really pretty good. So get yourself some quick dry, convertible, breathable, waterproof pants for hiking, and you won't regret it. Okay, so we're just finishing up a hike. It's evening, it's maybe nighttime. You get to the trailhead, you get to the back of your vehicle, whether it's a pickup truck, an SUV, or a car. You open up the back door to put your gear away, and sometimes those lights can be pretty dim in a vehicle. So what I've found is the LitezAll wireless light switch, 200 lumens, comes with 4 AAA batteries. It has magnets on the back as well as Velcro, as well as a way to hang it from a nail or a hook right there. And there's the old camping sign there, but look at that. Isn't that great? 200 lumens, it's very bright. It's got 2 strips of LED light right there. And this also works on the back of the vehicle with the Velcro on the fabric, which is pretty cool. And you can just move it around. I got this at Walmart at the store, off the shelf, $3.99. It's also on their website. The prices vary a little bit, but the LitezAll wireless light switch. Let's go take it out to the garage. I want to show you how it works. Okay, so I have a small SUV. I have a Honda CR-V. We'll get this light off here. And I got this little dome light on in the back here. This is my regular Honda dome light for my back compartment. Now look at the difference. I'll take the LitezAll, just stick it right here in the back seat, back of the seat like that, and then turn that on and look at the difference. Isn't that great? And you can just see your gear. I know you could use your headlight, but this is something you can keep in the, more towards the back, so it projects the light forward like this towards where you are. And look at, there's all my gear, a sleeping bag, and so it just makes a huge difference on that for $3.50. Like I said, you can take this and just move it. Velcro. I think I like it right there though. So, all right, guys. Okay, guys, I hope that was helpful for you. A lot of gear there. And remember, get out in nature, get on the trail, and go find your place. It's really important. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for being part of my channel and watching my videos. And as always, we'll see you next time. Keep hiking.